London is very multicultural, and that's one thing I love about London in general, but about Smartsheet in particular as well. I'm Harun Osmanovic, and I work as a sales manager at Smartsheet. The salespeople I admire the most, one of the things that they all have in common is that sense of bravery, being able to get on the phone, speak to their customers, and be honest with them. I think being able to see things when it comes to street photography or in sales situations, it really goes back to that element of being present in the moment. At Smartsheet, we're fortunate enough to have a good paternity leave, so that also gave me the opportunity to stay home, help my partner, and see my oldest son who's starting to go to school. It's been a blast, but it's been also challenging, as you can imagine. Just the mix of family life and work has been very intertwined in the past few months. My colleagues have been graceful enough to tolerate my little one on calls, and I'm thinking he's going to be ready for any tech jargon that we can throw at him in the future.